also at Ligma_Jessica. Please follow my meme account.
Audrey, how do you feel about our box?
It's very aesthetic.
We're doing a bunch of freshmen.
Wait, where do our shells go?
Ours is really cool. Hopefully not.
You feel negative, don't speak. When you feel negative, you speak. When you feel bad, still trying to speak.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Hey guys, day 2 of senior year. This guy's a hater. I'm a Photoshop genius. Oh yeah, G for King.
Or create.
Oh, I think we got a winner. We lost.
Yes,
17.
What the? I would swear right now, but we're in class.
9.
This is the team. Oh, this is the dream team.
Blake Blake_01.
We lost by 2 1/4 inches. BBB. You already know. Big baller brains. Nia's triggered.
Pass in your my house.
She's wearing a Gucci belt right now. So it might be
Stop. No, it's real. It's real.
okay. My girlfriend wears Gucci belts all the time. She has like 4. Class is over. Goodbye.
Oh. Here's our English activity.
Currently 7:32 in the morning. And it's Radley Day.
2020 is gonna do this year.
Want me to be honest?
Yes, please. Who's gonna beat us? We
Probably
lost
the
to
juniors.
we lost to 21 last year.
But I'm hopeful, you know?
Fine. Hopefully Cade and Wesley like pull through. I know 21's gonna be hyped because they like Wesley, so we'll see. Allie, you guys took the dub.
Juniors won. I don't know what else to tell you. I was probably so mad, but I don't really care. But whatever. Juniors are cheaters. All of them. All cheaters.
It was pretty fun. Too bad we didn't win because we've never won a rally, but it's all right. We'll,
Do you think we will win one?
to be honest,
Based off this performance today,
no. If it's off that performance today, then we're not winning a
do
rally.
you think the senior class is gonna win a rally this year?
We got the
Based
football
off
team,
that
so
experience.
yeah.
Based off that experience.
We'll win one.
Like last year.
Also, all the seniors out there that booed, I'm calling you out. That's the reason why we lost.
There's points if we boo. It's like there's no point. Why am I getting interviewed? Is this a TED Talk?
Yeah.